beachfront resort sa Infanta na pwede niyong mabook for as low as 666 pesos per head for 30 packs. May pool, malaking parking, air condition ang mga rooms at pwede pang mag-camping.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Hi everyone! Ako si Ceci.
At ako naman si Dave, and we are from We're Philippines. Welcome to Roy's Beach Resort, isang front beach resort na matatagpuan dito sa Infanta, Quezon. At bukod nga sa kanilang front beach resort, meron din silang swimming pool dito na good for more intimate bonding.
Ang amenities naman nila dito ay front beach na may malaking parking. Available din sila for tent pitching na perfect talaga kapag may getaway kayo with your family, friends, and with your partners.
May access din ang guests sa kanilang stove and grill plus free karaoke and wifi na din. So feel na feel mo talaga ang full Filipino bonding experience.
Meron din silang iba't ibang categories for room. Una, ang kanilang fan room na nagkakahalaga ng 2,400 pesos na good for 1 to 2 packs na perfect talaga sa mga couple.
Meron din namang family rooms na good for 10 to 30 packs ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 pesos.
So ayun nga guys, talaga namang sulit dito. And to experience these amenities, you can message them on their Facebook page, Roy's Beach Resort.
Located sila sa 173 Baya Pacific Subdivision, Barangay Dinahican, Infanta, Quezon. And open sila for 22 hours from 8 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Kaya tara na, pumunta na dito sa Roy's Beach Resort.
See you on the next vlog! Bye!